Wild boars, also known as feral hogs, are among the most resilient and adaptable mammals in the world. Their reproductive capacity is staggering, which is a key reason why their populations have exploded in the United States and beyond. A single sow can reach sexual maturity as early as 6 months of age and produce multiple litters per year, each consisting of 4 to 12 piglets. Under favorable conditions, this rapid reproduction can result in exponential population growth, overwhelming habitats, and creating significant challenges for farmers and wildlife managers alike. Understanding wild boar behavior is critical to managing their impact. These animals are highly intelligent and social, often moving in groups called sounders, which are typically composed of females and their young. Boars are opportunistic feeders with a diverse diet that includes roots, tubers, crops, small animals, and carrion. Their foraging behavior, particularly rooting with their strong snouts, causes extensive damage to vegetation and soil structure. They are also nocturnal by nature, which allows them to exploit human-dominated landscapes with minimal detection, making mitigation even more difficult. For agriculture, the consequences are severe. Wild boars are capable of destroying acres of crops in a single night. Corn, soybeans, wheat, and vegetable fields are particularly vulnerable, but orchards, vineyards, and pasturelands are not spared. Their rooting not only destroys plants but also disturbs irrigation systems, increases soil erosion, and leaves fields prone to long-term fertility loss. Additionally, wild boars carry diseases such as pseudorabies and swine brucellosis, which pose threats to domestic livestock and complicate disease management efforts. Economically, these animals cause over $1 billion in annual losses in the United States alone, affecting farmers, rural communities, and local food systems. In response, wildlife management strategies have evolved to address both ecological and agricultural challenges. Hunting is one of the primary tools used to reduce wild boar populations. Licensed hunters are often permitted to engage in targeted culling, particularly in areas where the animals pose significant threats. Trapping programs, exclusion fencing, and habitat modification are also employed to limit access to sensitive areas. Additionally, research and monitoring play a crucial role in understanding population dynamics, behavioral patterns, and the effectiveness of management practices. Collaboration between farmers, hunters, and government agencies ensures a coordinated approach that balances control measures with conservation principles. Despite these efforts, controlling wild boar populations remains a persistent challenge. Their intelligence, adaptability, and rapid reproduction make them exceptionally resilient. Successful management requires a multifaceted approach that combines hunting, habitat management, public education, and ongoing scientific research. Understanding their behavior, from feeding strategies to social structure, is essential for predicting movement patterns and implementing effective interventions. By aligning human efforts with ecological insights, communities can protect agricultural productivity, reduce economic losses, and maintain environmental balance. Ultimately, wild boar management is not simply a matter of population control. It is about understanding the complex interplay between wildlife, agriculture, and human activity. Strategic action, informed by research and guided by best practices, is essential to mitigate damage while ensuring the long-term sustainability of both rural landscapes and wildlife populations.